Never have enough of a great thing, right? Problem is, that's a lot of packaging. That's why the first step in the 3 Rs is to reduce. Luckily, we've got choices. Good things can also come in one big package, using less of our resources now, saving more for later. And that's why reduce comes first in reduce, reuse, recycle. In a close second comes reuse, because that empty container is no one-hit wonder. With a little reinvention, it can live another day, and that's one less new product that needs to be manufactured, meaning one more lick here for everyone, and one more lick here for you. Step 2 can be found nearly everywhere, but it goes by many names. Some know it as rechargeable, others as donatable, and many more as machine washable, making all of these things reusable and, in a way, reducible. But that brings us to the fan favorite, the pretty sister of the 3 Rs, recycle. Everyone is chanting your number 1, but they should be chanting your number 3. Don't get me wrong, 3 is still great. Trash can only ranks in at 2,082, just ahead of Feed It to an Infant, so 3 is up there. But there is a reason why there are another 2 in front of it, because the recycling process still uses plenty of resources in itself. But that is to make sure that we aren't turning the Rocky Mountains into landfills, a noble effort, so there's no question about it. But the point to remember is that there are easier paths. So the next time you see one of these on the bottom of one of those, consider all 3 steps in order: reduce, reuse, recycle.
Waste Management is on a mission to drive environmental performance with solutions that manage and minimize waste, recycle valuable resources, and create clean, renewable energy.
They say one man's trash is another man's treasure, and here at Waste Management we really believe that that is true. We've really had a shift in our mindset where people historically used waste as trash. Now we really view waste as a resource, and it's a material that we need to manage and find innovative uses for.
Waste Management is North America's largest residential recycler, recovering and processing over 8.5 million tons of plastic, paper, glass, organics, e-waste, and metal per year. By the year 2020, our goal is to nearly triple the amount of recyclable materials we manage to more than 20 million tons per year.
We are aggressively investing in new single-stream technology as well as building new single-stream recycling facilities like the Philadelphia Material Recovery Facility. And when we build these plants, we're constantly looking at the newest and latest technology to extract more value out of the materials that we manage. So whereas in the past, there might have been some grades of plastic, say, that we couldn't capture, now, at this facility, we're capturing film plastic, and we're capturing 1 through 7 plastics. Single-stream recycling really makes it much easier for the consumer or the user. Really, all you need to do is put your paper, your plastic.
For me to come with any reasons why not to do single-stream recycling. For me to come with any reasons why not to do single-stream recycling. For me to come with any reasons why not to do single-stream recycling. The more people know about what we do, the better and the easier it's going to be to recycle. And that's the goal. Send it this way and we'll take care of the rest.
By making recycling easier, single-stream systems can boost recycling participation rates by over 50% and make the recycling collection process simpler and more efficient for residents, municipalities, and commercial customers. The Philadelphia Material Recovery Facility in Northeast Philadelphia exemplifies our commitment to recovering the value in waste. The 60,000 square foot facility was constructed using sustainable building and design techniques, which meet the LEED Silver certification standards of the U.S. Green Building Council. This innovative single-stream facility can process and sort more than 20,000 tons of recyclable newspaper, cardboard, aluminum, glass, and plastic each month, equal to the weight of 261 Boeing 737s. Customers who purchase recycled materials want them to be free of contaminants. They don't want plastic or metal mixed in with their paper, or paper mixed in with the plastic they've ordered.
The expectation is that we should be close to 100% purity in the materials that we're sending to our customers. We expect our machine to give us 95% of the quality. The extra 5% we do manually. We have all this technology, but at the end, our employees make the difference.
So let's examine the single stream separation process and how people and technology together produce a quality end product. A truck containing mixed recyclable materials arrives at the processing facility. After being weighed and recorded, the contents are emptied onto the tipping floor. The recyclables are loaded onto the main feed conveyor, which directs the material to several different sorting areas. In the first area, large rigid plastics, such as toys and buckets, are separated for baling and sale to plastic markets. Non-recyclable materials are discarded into the trash. The materials continue on to a series of disc screens. This specially designed separating equipment consists of rotating discs that push cardboard over the top. Larger pieces of cardboard are sent to a second conveyor for another pass to remove contaminants, and then to the baling process. Material that falls between the disc screens moves to the next sort area called the combination news screen, where paper materials are separated from household bottles and cans. The first section removes most of the newspaper, advertising inserts, and office paper, which is filtered onto a processing line, where any materials other than paper are manually removed. This product automatically falls into the final bunkers, which, when filled, is fed into the baler and prepared for customer pickup. The pre-sort and newspaper conveyor stations contain a series of air vacuums. These allow plastic bags to be removed from the line and sent to a separate bunker. The plastic bags, known as film plastic, are also baled and marketed for sale. After the disc screens have sorted out paper and cardboard, what's left, steel, glass, plastic, and aluminum, is directed to a glass breaker to remove glass, and then to a paper magnet to remove any remaining paper and film plastic from the container stream. The glass is transferred by conveyor to an inside storage bunker. The containers exiting the glass breaker then pass under a magnet that removes all steel cans for baling. The remaining materials, primarily plastic containers and aluminum cans, are then passed under an optical scanner to remove light plastic containers, such as soft drink bottles. The remaining containers pass a manual sort station where additional heavier plastics are captured. These include clear plastic containers such as milk and juice bottles, and colored containers such as liquid detergent containers. These products are also separated for baling. What's left, cardboard juice cartons or non-conforming plastics, pass under another optical scanner for removal. The remaining material goes through a magnetic field known as an eddy current to remove the aluminum, which is blown into a material storage bunker for baling. Any remaining material not repelled by the eddy current goes to the waste line for transfer to a landfill or a waste-to-energy facility. At Waste Management, we're constantly on a mission to extract more value from the materials we manage and at the same time, improve the environment of the communities where we operate.
When you can go back home and tell your children that what you do and they find it interesting, and not only that, you are actually influencing the future of the planet by doing what we do.
Looking into the mirror, knew I wasn't who I wanted to be. I was living life the way that I wanted, but my eyes reminded me I'm not free. Believe the lie, so everything that I know says I gotta go, tired of going solo. But I'm never gonna go there again. This is what it is, this is who I am, this is where I finally take my stand. I didn't wanna fall, but I don't have to crawl. I'm not the one with two scar hands, giving him the best of everything that's left of the life inside this man. I've been born again. I see you walking like you're living in fear, having trouble even looking at me. Wishing they would give you more than words, sick of people telling how it should be. What you download, where'd you get your info? You saw the hype show, now you're in the endo. Gonna tell you what I believe. Oh, this is what it is, this is who I am, this is where I finally take my stand. I didn't wanna fall, but I don't have to crawl. I'm not the one with two scar hands, giving him the best of everything that's left of the life inside this man. I've been born again. We are the ones he called by name. Never gonna look back. Let go the guilt, the shame. Said I'm never gonna look back. This is who I This is what it is, this is who I am, this is where I finally take my stand. I didn't wanna fall, but I don't have to crawl. I'm not the one with two scar hands, giving